This knit edge looks very nice, and the best part about it is that it's very easy to knit, and you can use it for a scarf or for a blanket, and I will explain the method in just a few seconds. Before we start knitting, let's analyze what happens here. The border stitch, two stitches involved into this cable element, and these are just two purl stitches that divide the border from the main stitch. My main stitch is just stockinette, and you can use any stitch that you like. Now let's start knitting. So first of all, we skip the first one, and this cable element, it's basically the simplest cable you can think of. And how is it created? You have the stitch number 1, stitch number 2, and the idea is to swap them. So first you have to knit the stitch number 2. You create this little crossing. Okay, I'll show it one more time. You had this number 1 and number 2, and you have to start from the number 2 stitch. So you have the number 2 one on your right needle and just swap them. So this one is the number 2, and I knit the number 2, and then I knit the number 1, and this is how the crossing is created. And now purl, purl, and now I'll just work in stockinette until the end of the row, and I will see you at the end of the row. So what happens at the end of the row? We have 2 purl stitches. Those are kind of divider stitches, right? And again, we need to cross the stitches for the cable element. So stitch number 1, stitch number 2, and first I work on stitch number 2. I just do this crossing. So this is number 2, and I knit the number 2 and now the number 1. What about the border stitch? I knitted the eastern way, grabbing the yarn from the underneath. Now what happens on the purl side? On the purl side, I skip the first one. These are the 2 stitches of the cable element that used to be, well, technically knit stitches. So on the purl side, those are purl stitches. So purl 1, purl 2. You don't need to cross them. On the purl side, nothing happens. And then these are 2 knit stitches that used to be purl stitches on the right side. Those are just dividers. And then I will continue working on my main stitch, and I will see you at the end of the row. Okay, so what we have here, knit 2, 1 and 2. Those are purl stitches, used to be on the knit side, the divider stitches. Now 2 purl stitches, those are the stitches of the cable element. And the last is the most interesting. You work it the eastern way. You knit it the eastern way, grabbing the yarn from the underneath. I'll do it again, just like this. Okay, let's do it again. Skip the first one. Now twist the stitches, swap them. The number 2 goes first, number 1 goes second. The crossing is done. So knit the number 2 stitch of the cable element and knit the number 1 stitch of the cable element and purl 2. Now work on your main stitch. At the end of the row, purl 2, cross the stitches number 1, number 2, go inside the number 2, cross the stitches, knit the number 2 stitch and knit the number 1 stitch. and knit the last one the Eastern way. I hope that it makes sense. I hope you like this border and you're welcome to use it in your projects.